Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm Lisa from Down to Earth Gardening and Design, and this is my grandson Jonathan. So today we are planting some vegetables in the vegetable bed, and we want to talk about seed tape, which is what Jonathan has in his hand. So seed tape is an easy way to plant some of those tiny vegetable seeds that are tougher to handle, and that inevitably we end up with some jagged rows and we have to thin them out because it's really hard to get them evenly spaced because they're so tiny. So seed tape is a wonderful way to do this, and it's a great project with kids even, but I personally love it and have used it whenever I can find it for my carrots, for my radishes, and also for lettuce. So today it's spring and we're going to be planting a couple of cool weather crops, which are the carrots and the radishes. So we're going to show you how we use the seed tape. And I also have some carrot seeds in a packet here, so I'm going to show you how tiny they are and the difference between planting them the two different ways. So bear with me, this is a grandson grandma project today, and it's going to be a lot of fun out here in the garden because Jonathan loves to garden, as you can see. Yay! Oh, we see some nice worms here. That's fantastic. Oh yes, and gimme, that's great. So the carrots. So we're planting Kaleidoscope Carrot Collection. So it's a color blend of 3 different varieties. Like I said, carrots are cool weather crops. You can plant them early spring, or you can do some succession plantings. Plant them, I mean, actually anytime in the spring, but also in the fall, which is like cooler weather. So seed tape is basically just like a tissue paper, and you can see the dots where the seeds are sandwiched in between and spaced out evenly. So very easy to handle compared to a packet of seeds.
Got it?
Yeah, so these are the seeds here. So maybe Jonathan will do the seeds in this row. So you can see how tiny they are. So a little harder to handle. Yep. You want to shake? Shake, shake. You have to shake them. Ah! Shake, 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 shake. Yeah. And you're going to cover them. You cover them up with the dirt.
Cover the dirt, buddy.
Cover the dirt like this. Yep, these we saved. Good job. Good job. So lightly cover carrot seeds about a ½ inch of soil. But then the seed tape this is for our labels, right? So we're going to put carrots and put this in here like this. Put it in the ground. Yeah, so we know what we planted. Do you want to do the other one? Let me write on it. So seed tape. Carrots. Okay, do you want to put that in the ground? Okay. Alright, so where's Gigi's tools here? Alright, let's do the seed tape. So next to the carrot seeds, we're just going to remove some of that mulch and save it aside for when they start to come up here.
Okay.
Okay, Jonathan, seed tape. So the seed tape here, we're just going to bury it. And then you tear it off if you need to, depending on the size of your rows. And then, Jonathan, we're covering it. Can you cover it with dirt? Put it right on there.
Put the dirt on there.
And then just cover it. And my gloves, thank you. Okay. And that's the seed tape. So we're going to keep working out here. I just wanted to show you the difference, and I wanted to show you how it makes your gardening tasks a little bit easier.
Oh,
So it's a nice little gardening trick for all of you at home. So we're gonna get busy here. Somebody already has been pretty busy and continue planting our radishes and our carrots.